Hello there, we're back at the much anticipated hotel or motel, historical hotel. We are going to be replacing the FPE panels on the inside on each floor. You guys saw it before we looked at each panel. They're in those little weird rooms. But Bernard and Caesar are inside right now. Let's run in here and see what we got going on. Right here, Caesar's taking apart the existing FPE panel on the second floor. Like I was saying in the intro, this phase of the project is just the interior panels on each floor. But today, we're just going to handle the one on the second floor.
The one downstairs, we're going to have to get a bigger panel because they have way more, it's full to like brim. This one, the one upstairs is the easiest.
I'm going to steal water.
Yeah, you could. We need to re-up one.
What's that?
We need to get some more water. Pounds would be like 26, so we gotta mod that up. Tell them bring the pounds here first.
The water tastes a little funny.
Scary now.
You guys want to cut up here?
It does. Got a bite to it or something.
Are you guys going to want to cut up here above?
Is this the same thing? Feel like?
Yeah, I wonder if it's something from in the cooler maybe, from like I'm getting the outside.
You guys going to want to cut up here above it or not? Right here?
You got a bite to it?
Yeah.
What's that? You got that bite on there? What is that?
I don't know.
You know why though? It's because we left it in the cooler in the hot the whole weekend over in the van.
But it was
I don't know.
inside
It tastes
cooler.
like a little bit of alcohol almost bite, right? Or
Yeah,
something?
it don't taste.
Don't taste
taste pure,
right.
bro. Try it out.
Yeah, you try it.
And this ain't crack it. You don't have like an aftertaste? No.
Like a bite?
You ain't tripping?
I got a bite on mine. Like it's like a...
It have an aftertaste, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with Caesar. That tasted terrible.
Caesar he's hardcore like that though. You know what I mean?
Built up.
He'll drink battery acid on a hot day to refresh himself.
Like a camel. I drink it and spit it back up and drink it again later.
A dromedary or a camel?
I think that's a camel that does it, right?
Well, dromedary, the camel has 2 humps. The dromedary has 1 hump. They're the same.
Oh!
We should leave that door open. They're gonna cross these guys.
No worries. We're well protected.
Yeah, I'll protect you. Don't worry. Yeah, there's not a lot in there, huh?
Yeah,
That's a bunkus if you can help that.
yeah.
All this is going on, right?
No, I can't get to more. I wish. You probably gotta.
I'm just cutting this galvanized liner so we can access the wood behind it so we can cut our hole for all the conduits, the nipples that will go between the 2 panels.
Let me hit that again.
It's all these little things like the galvanized liner and how hard the wood was in the walls that made this job take a little bit longer than we thought.
In the...
But I threw out the water.
Oh, that's brand new ice in
Yeah,
water?
it's brand new ice. I just bought the ice this morning.
I don't know. You tasted it for sure, right?
Yeah, I swear to God, I tasted it.
Yeah.
I ain't tripping.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
for
me
sure
too.
I
Yeah,
tasted it.
yeah.
I don't know what's going on. Tap water tastes back home, so I know for a fact. I know what I taste. I'm telling you.
Is the tap water bad over there? Or good?
Bad.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo. Alright, I'm coming right now.
Yeah?
He's here with the panel. Hold on.
Alright.
Grab some extra waters, maybe.
Yeah. Butterfly.
What happened now?
What ain't doing? I don't think this is
Hardwood. Yeah, it's probably that Miami-Dade pine.
Yep.
You can smell it. Man, look at that.
Not really. Not really.
You can tell that's old growth. Look at that, the grain on pine like that, to have that tight of grain, that's hard ass wood. We're gonna need to get much bigger than that.
Yeah, I know. It's just test.
Yeah.
It comes too late.
Good.
Smell good, ain't it?
Yeah.
It was like that last time, you see?
No, I'm saying, but I'm trying to see if another crew went there after you guys.
We don't know.
Well, did it look different? Did anything look moved?
No,
other than the toilet paper?
Everything looks the same. Used to toilet paper looks different now.
What did the toilet paper taste like? Because that'll tell me more. When you're going through there might be a pipe that runs, you know what I'm saying? Here, pop a hole here.
And then the
We
wire
don't,
too.
we don't want to, yeah.
You need a neutral, right?
Yeah, 2 aught, so we need like maybe, like 6 feet, you know, 8 feet of 3 aught, you know, 10 feet of 3 aught and 5 feet of 2 aught, 10 and 5.
So Larry test for 3.
Oh, by the way, nice one on the dock job. It's plaster and lat. Oh, we have a stud right there.
8 feet of 1 inch. Tight. And the connectors, you need 6-inch
You're right.
connectors and then 2 for the.
Not all the way,
2 inch.
Got you.
So for the 1 inch, we need 6.
But we don't know if it's a
Three
big
for
flare,
one side,
right?
2 for the other side. That's what it is. Probably feeders, you need 1 and 1.
I'll be back.
Alright, hurry up. You got 15 minutes, there and back.
I got it.
Talking about what this could have been, like, dude, this could be like a murder box, like where they stick, because you can't get out, it's all metal, you know what I'm saying? Like if you got somebody and you put them in there and, you know, yeah, right? That's like a horror movie, right?
Yeah.
They got numbers. I don't know why. What's that say up there? Candy? See? See what I'm talking about?
Damn, boy.
Look at the scratch marks. I don't know. Yep.
They can only look to that peephole.
See the pipe right here where I was talking about? It's on the floor. That's a good pipe. You feel me?
Yo.
Just hang up because Victor call you. Them water too, bro. Don't mix them up, right? Say it again. Them water?
Yeah.
Them pure that? Yeah, that ain't it, dog. Mm-hmm.
Did you rinse that a little bit?
Yes,
Here, take
sir.
a you take a water. Almost all the way through. Got it.
Got it?
All right, you can get that now. Yeah, we're probably gonna need a little more space now, don't you think?
Yeah.
Let me look again. So a 2-inch will take to here. Oh, we can get a maybe.
Yeah, we can put the rest up top. Once we get the 2-inch in to the bottom, probably put it like around here. Alright,
We should unibit it.
so that 2-inch. Probably gotta adjust it.
Somebody opens their apartment door here in a second and it smells real bad.
What happened now? Yeah, what is that? Damn. Is that some shit on the wall? Where'd that shit come from? I wasn't there.
That's mold.
Caesar.
That's not like humidity.
be too close. That's gonna be too close. I should move that one up just a little bit. Dang it. This drill's getting weak. The money shot.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Where's the 2-inch lock washer? Is this door open over here?
It's every time that dude open up that back one.
We need to get wood to go around the outside. Vic, you want to run and grab some No, like one by like white fascia board that's already painted. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Was on this football team, right?
Yeah, I mean, I've been playing varsity since I was a freshman.
He was all the way in the back, like the bench is like behind.
Nah, see,
Oh, he don't know. I never showed him.
cool,
He
yeah.
don't know. He don't.
I told
Oh
you,
man.
you got some good
man.
highlights.
Oh, I gotta show you, bro.
Caesar Cole. He on YouTube too.
Really?
Yeah, he got good highlights.
What position? Like cornerback or something?
Everything. You see me playing everything.
But what was your?
My main position was DB. But then once they found out, like, oh nah, this dude's an athlete. Like, let's put him on offense, and I just gravitated towards receiver. But for some reason, they just had me on running back.
Really?
Yeah, just gravitated towards. I don't know, for some reason, and I always had good hands, but because of my speed, they always threw me on the backfield. You'll see. I'm gonna show you some punt returns, everything. Coulda went D1.
Went that far?
Yeah, looking at this thing.
I'm very competitive. I feel like if I would have hit that college stage,
Like if you bulked up, you could probably do it, right?
yeah,
You'd have to put on some weight though, right? To mess around in the NFL?
it all depends though.
Because they're big, dude. They're big.
You got Kevontae Turpin right now.
How much does he weigh at?
He's number 9.
Like what are you, like
That's for Cowboy.
155,
Yeah,
160?
he weighs 122,
What?
and he's taking them back. Punt
No
return
way.
specialist.
122?
122.
What do you weigh, like 155?
Yeah, about 148.
Okay.
But he's taking them back, and he's like, bro, like 4'9".
What?
Yeah.
4'9"?
No
No
way.
way. Bro, I'll flick him.
You gotta catch him. That means he fast. He fast, right?
Yeah, he fast.
Got to catch him. 4'9". I was like, oh.
So what was your craziest play ever that you did? Like,
A hurdle.
you hurdled somebody?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's on YouTube too. You'll see.
Nice.
You know, Destroying, Rob? He's
No.
a big famous YouTuber too in sports.
Yeah.
He was at Caesar School looking at Caesar too.
Really?
Yeah. And Destroying, you'd be like all of the best. And once he told me that, I'm like, because once he said he was on YouTube, I'm like, yeah, anybody could go YouTube. But once he told me Destroying was out of school, I'm like, dang, he really good for real.
24.
Did you go to Palm Beach Central because of football or what?
Yeah, like the football coordinator, like he was like really messing with me because the first year I went to Lake Worth.
Our original plan was to flush mount this panel inside the wall, but there was some load-bearing studs in the way, so we ended up surface mounting it, and we wanted to trim it out with some, 1x to make it a little nicer.
Cut the mustard.
You got a bunch of bakers.
Yeah, I have a bundle of like a bunch of different brands, and it's a really good way to tell someone's experience is how many brands they know.
For real. 'Cause he got me with that. I was like, I only know Siemens, Square D, and GE.
I can literally, just from how many you
And
know
the fuse,
of that,
I seen the fuse on how and the fuse. That's
just from how many you know of that, that's such a good teller. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it was 24.
Pick the right 24.
Yeah, I want to see my girl.
What they were talking about a second ago was whenever I do an interview, I test people with different brands of breakers, and it's actually something my buddy Zach came up with, but I modified it a little bit. It works real good to gauge someone's skill level. I gotta say, all things considered, this panel job came out pretty nice. And we got 2 more to go pretty soon.
All right, so we're just wrapping it up over here, cleaning up and getting out of here. Came out nice in the end. Took a little longer than expected. Ran into a couple snags, but we will be doing the other panels here shortly on the 1st and 3rd floor, and then eventually we'll get the service outside. But thanks for stopping by. Take care. Keep your eyes peeled for the next one, and I'll see you next time.